Lots of budget talk doing the rounds. In fact, less than 24 hours now left for the Union Budget 2020. And we at ET Now have learnt of several tax proposals that were considered by the Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. Guess what? One of them is a digital tax of sorts and could be levied on e-commerce companies, aggregators and digital platforms. Nayantara Rai joins in with exclusive details on this. Nayantara, what's in the works? What is this digital tax being mulled?
So the Narendra Modi government wants to start taxing digital economy. It's not the first time that you've heard murmurs to this extent from this dispensation. In fact, last year, framework had come out, draft framework on doing just this, going after big tech companies, especially the overseas ones that have offshore businesses here, don't have many employees here, but have significant businesses. Amazon, Uber are just two such examples. Those rules were never finally notified. The OECD is still working on that. So till then, what I'm being told by my sources is that the Modi government is keen to look at the digital economy. It's a robust business and the Modi government feels they should be paying their taxes. Get ready. Maybe it has been discussed. We understand it has been discussed at the highest of quarters, and maybe this could become and will be a part of budget tomorrow when Nirmala Sitharaman, the finance minister, could announce a new tax for the digital economy. It could be a transaction tax, in which case for every digital transaction that's carried out, there could be, let's say, maybe a 1% levy. The educated guess would be that if that does happen, the merchant will pass it on and it will be built into the price. But this is how the government of India could collect the taxes. The second one could be that maybe it could be, second option that has been discussed is maybe have a flat tax on the turnover. Remember, a lot of these digital companies, not just in India, but around the world, say they make no profit. So it won't be on the bottom line, it won't be on the profits, but on the revenues. But this is clear that in the absence of any consensus globally, India wants to go ahead and start taxing the digital economy. It's not the first time it will be doing that. A couple of years ago, India introduced the equalization levy, 6%, called the Google tax. We had actually seen a lot of uproar against that. That was primarily on the advertising world, on digital world. But everyone's gotten used to that, and we've seen other countries come out with similar equalization levies as well. So let's see if on 1st of February, Nirmala Sitharaman does indeed announce this, but this much is clear. The government is working towards this.
And now an additional